This is a Brothers Bond production. Matt, this is your two uncles trying to tell you how to pack the grandfather's clock for transport. Before starting, assemble these materials: clean cloths or gloves, masking tape. We're going to need 3 4-inch strips and 3 little 1-inch square labels. And you need a flat place to lay down the weights and the pendulum after we remove them. And a couple of notes. When we remove the weights, we'll want to wrap each to protect it, then lay it in a flat box or casserole dish to transport it. And with regards to the pendulum, it's fragile and bendable, so there's caution in handling it. You have to support it along its whole length as you lay it flat. Okay, I think we're ready to start. This is really a simple process. We're only talking about in order that I think will ensure that the pieces don't get harmed in the process. So first you'll want to open and unlock and open the door to the cabinet. Remember to not touch the brass pieces with bare hands. Use cloth gloves or cloth towels. And you want to stop the pendulum at the middle position, if it's not already. We don't know where the weights are, but they'll probably be hanging low if the clock has stopped. And here's the process for removing the weights. Note that they are surprisingly heavy. First, you're going to want to label each weight: left, center, and right. John's going to pluck the 3 little labels he's prepared ahead of time. Label each weight left, center, and right by putting a tape label on the bottom of each weight. And note that these weights are not interchangeable. They are different weights. Okay, now, using a clean cloth or clean gloves, grab one weight at a time by putting one hand under and one hand at the top. Then gently lift and unhook the weight from the bracket hanging under the wheel hanger thing and set that weight aside. Be aware that the wheel may lift off that cable.